topic of discussion still. Ain't nobody touching my skill. I possess, that's why I feels I'm the best. Can't buy it at Best Buy. It ain't wise to test I. A listless scrap worker, see through circles. Sniper vision don't make me hurt you. My precision verse through a surgical. Get the trimming like a circumcision. I'm certain no matter the circumstances, I be left standing even with no legs. I'm thinking Adams, I don't need a head. Look the wrist, think instead and still be ahead with the ink of lead. Rappers pop the beat and stick, leave them dead. Can't be revived, I cannot be inspired. But those who can't even rhyme, everything that he said was being read off a pad that's mine. Got a padded mind, me my walls are padded, but that's by design. I'm fine being inside a lyrical sane asylum. You can cage a line, can't contain what I'm. You can chain the time, I'm David Blaine and rhyme. Escaping record time, wait you seconds behind him. Late, never find him, think I'm hiding. Why you looking for me? Got the sniper right, eyeing him, put him to sleep. You was looking tired. What's required to pull in all nighters, trying to catch this kind of rider while I connect like Jason Rush and Martin Stein intertwined. I'm just catching fire, just a step in lighter. I'm Justice 2, got amongst you lyrical weapon fighter like I hoop for the Irish. Play the 2 like McBride did with the pencil tool I use. I can shoot off your eyelid, Kayla with the hit from deep. Quick release, shot timing sailor when I get the beat. I'm lyrically not tight and you cannot untie it. I mean they tried it but stop, must have got tired, must have really forgot who the not I am. I do not TikTok and dance, they all be like the trend. From girl they watch what top and plans, world of thoughts, dropper pants, frozen pop, shopper fans, and you can see that box on cam. Let me hop off tramps, I mean hop off with trampolines. I've been jumping scene to scene, I'm struggling to pick a thing, do mumbling. I'ma pick on him, no cuddling, I'ma clip his wings. Fly talk ain't gon' fly with me, I loving how he fit his jeans. Somebody gotta fix this thing, y'all should run and get the king. Wait, you be just kidding me, not kidding V. Y'all thought y'all got rid of me, I was getting bored of this. Heard your shit and y'all did it, no way they could be drawn to this. But they sing along to it, so back on Jason Ball business. Attack on whack performances, too many rap conformances. I know exactly where wrong it went, and that's exactly the ball gets sent. On top of that, got a rocket strap, you best get back when I'm launching it. When I black, I'm conscienceless, don't care who hit for the toss of this. As long as all that's wrong get fixed, like no more auto tone on it. No, I'm not tuning in, I'm laser tap removing them. Saving rap superhuman him, cape on back through the wind. Haters yap, lose some limbs, I gave you some excuses as to why you cannot use your pen. But take these notes, schoolers in, I'll take a joke or a swim. I think the pool is opening.
What they doing?
Drowning in my flow again.
Get everybody up. Do it now. I want them all activated.
Wait, all of them at the same time?
You heard me. I want Born in a body bag by sundown.